in. My name is Vakar. I work with School of Leadership Foundation. I work with Amwaj. I work with Nucleus. मैं इन 4 इदारों के साथ काम करता हूँ. It's been almost 8 years, almost 9 years in fact that I've been in this industry. मैं पिछले 9 साल से तकरीबन इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहा हूँ. ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट इसको कहा जाता है या लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट कहा जाता है. हमारा मेजर काम है कंटेंट डेवलपमेंट करना, नौजवानों के साथ जाके ट्रेनिंग कराना, करिकुलम्स को डेवलप करना, मजेदार चीजें कराना, एक्सपीरियंसेस क्रिएट करना. एंड 3 चीजों पे हम मेजरली हमेशा फोकस करते रहे और इस टाइम के दौरान जो कि पैंडेमिक का टाइम है, इसके दौरान भी हमारा यही फोकस रहा है. नंबर 1 इज कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग. किरदार बुलंद करने पे काम करना है, किरदार को बेहतर बनाना है, कैरेक्टर को बेहतर बनाना है इंसान ने अपने. नंबर 2 कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग. कितना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस, जितना कॉन्फिडेंस इंसान के अंदर होता है उतनी वो चीजें बेहतर करता है. और तीसरा जो है वो एक्सपोजर एनहांसमेंट, यानी कि हम यूथ को और अपनी ऑडियंसेस को पुश करते हैं कि वो अपने एक्सपोजर को ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेहतर बना सकें, ज्यादा से ज्यादा बेहतर बनाए. जितना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा उतना एक्सपोजर बढ़ेगा, जितना एक्सपोजर बढ़ेगा उतना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. आज की ये टॉक.
Sir, I have a request, please. Like, if you can keep the session in English because we have some international participants as well.
Oh, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to be bilingual, but I'm going to try and repeat everything in English. Is that all right? Okay, because I also have to take care of my local audiences as well, so I can't be all English, but I'll try and make it English as well. So there are 3 things that I've spoken about that we work on. Number 1 is character building. Number 2 is exposure enhancement, and number 3 is confidence building. Confidence and exposure are both interrelated. The topic today that we are going to have a 25-minute interactive conversation. हम 25 मिनट की जो है वो एक interactive conversation करेंगे, and then we'll have around 5 to 10 minutes for Q&A. If you have any questions, I'm going to be I'll be more than willing to answer all the questions that you might have. The topic today that we have picked is don't control your life, drive your life. What do I mean by controlling and driving, or what are these analogies for? Imagine how many of you have a मुझे बताएं, जो people who are watching right now or who are listening to me right now, how many of you have driven a car before, or have been into a car, or have been through a road trip, or have been on a highway? If you've been on a highway, just write a yes.
Yes.
Just write a yes. Okay, do I never? Okay. So if you have sat in a car, अगर आप पहले कभी गाड़ी में बैठे, if you have drove a car, if you have driven a car, if you have been on a highway, then you would know the difference of driving a car in the city and driving a car on the highway. There are major key factors that are in this analogy that are related to this particular life that we are living by the example of the car that we drive on the highway. जो हम गाड़ी हाईवे पे चलाते हैं उसको आप अपनी जिंदगी के साथ you can compare it easily with your life. Why am I saying this? Is because of the fact that when you drive the car on the highway, you don't just control the car. You don't just stop everything. You drive it. See, controlling only has one ambit, which is of keeping things on hold, keeping things on pause, keeping things on stay, on a halt. Driving has everything. It has acceleration, it has brake, it has controlling, it has synchronization, it has talent, it has skill, it has everything. What we are doing right now in this current pandemic situation, right, with our lives, is that we are controlling our lives. We think that we can control things. We're trying to control things. We can never really control things. We have to drive things out of the way we are right now. हम अपनी जिंदगी को इस वक्त कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि मैं ये भी ठीक कर लूँ, मैं ये भी ठीक कर लूँ, इकोनॉमिक्स भी सेट हो जाए, सैलरी भी मेरी सेट रहे, पढ़ाई पे भी मेरी फर्क ना आए. What are you doing with your lives here? You are locked. You are in a lockdown situation. You are into isolation. You are under a quarantine. I completely understand that, but this situation has not been very different with the kind of life that we have been living before. Or perhaps we were just having a Facebook live discussion with a couple of experts, and they said that right 4 months, just 4 months before this pandemic, we were about to discuss the World War III, the situation that was happening between Saudi and Iran and a couple of other countries. what would you this situation could occur again with us, यानी कि ये जिंदगी में हमारी दोबारा आ सकता है ये लॉकडाउन घर के अंदर बैठना. I'm going to start off my session with this story that I came across, and I'm going to read it out for you, because we got to start with gratitude. And by gratitude I mean हमें शुक्रगुजारी से जो है वो शुरू करना चाहिए. We must understand and we must be grateful for the circumstances we are living in right now. If you are watching this session right now, this means that you have technology, this means that you have internet, this means that you have a phone and a laptop, and this means that you have a proper place wherein you can sit and utilize the technology or watch sessions and learn through internet. मैं आपके लिए एक story, I'm reading out this story for all of you. What does this story say? This story says, this was 2 days ago, this was published on Dawn News. The story says, आप लॉकडाउन में ना, आप आइसोलेशन में, आपको ये चीज बग कर रही है, आपको ये चीज तंग कर रही है, that why are you under a lockdown, when will you go out, you're being bugged by this. See, whenever you are not grateful for things, you have greed for more. Whenever you are not grateful for things, you want to have more. You want to have more and more and more and more and more. But if you are grateful for certain things that are already there with you, you make the most out of your time. Now, the problem is that we as young people are not being grateful for what we have right now in our hand. And hence, I'm starting this particular session from gratitude with all of you. And I'm going to read this story out. Now, this story was recently published in Dawn. This says, married as a child and wrongly imprisoned for nearly 20 years over the murder of her husband, Rani Bibi is now free and fighting for compensation in a test case for thousands of other false convictions. Bibi was only 13 when police arrested her for killing her husband, whom she remembers as a good man. Her parents and her brother were also arrested and jailed, as they all were the last people to be seen with her husband when the couple was visiting her family's home. But his body, with a head injury from a blunt weapon, was found buried at his own residence some 25 miles away, according to the court documents. Now this is important, she spent the next 19 years toiling in prison for a crime she did not commit, cooking for hundreds of inmates and sweeping endless floors and groundkeeping in the scorching heat. It was only in 2014 that her appeal was taken up after a lawyer who headed a local charity met Bibi on a routine prison visit and fought for her release. Now this story was published on Dawn. आप जाके इसको पढ़ भी सकते हैं. What does the story say? This says that a 13-year-old child, 13 साल की बच्ची, who was just a kid. Number one, she got into this child marriage thing. घर वालों ने उसकी शादी कराई 13 साल की उम्र में, 13 years, and then she was convicted of a murder of her husband, and then she spent 19 years in a lockdown, in isolation, in a quarantine, not in a very luxury manner, but in sort of a jail. 19 years. She spent 19 years in a jail for a crime that she did not commit. Recently, the court released her, and the court said that we are really sorry that you did not commit this crime, and we don't have any compensation to give you for. What is your excuse? What is your anger right now? What is your frustration? You are under a situation wherein you have a home right now, you have technology, you have internet, you have your fridges full, you have your cabinets full. You are eating what you want to eat. You are continuing your education if you want to. You can attend the courses that you want to attend. You can speak to the mentors. You can network with people. You can use Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, whatnot. What is your excuse of being frustrated, of being lethargic, of being lazy, and saying that I want this lockdown to get done? See, this has always, every time we don't want to do something, we have gotten an excuse to not to do something. This mind is very powerful. This tells us what to do, what not to do. This, in fact, we try and control it, and we tell the mind what needs to be done and what doesn't need to be done. This is called policy of convenience. I'd say a month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, if there are international participants watching, 2 months or 3 months ago, you would have an excuse for not doing something that you're supposed to do, that I don't have time to do this. You would give this as an excuse along with your willingness that you would want to do it. This is a very deadly combination. Giving an excuse and telling why you can't do it, and giving an excuse and having a reason for not doing it. I want to spend time with my family, but I don't have time. I want to focus more on my education. I don't have I don't have time. I have a lot of passion to do something, but I don't have time. I want to become a graphic designer. I want to learn web development, but I don't have time. I want to visit my friends. I want to spend more time at my home, but I don't have time. Time was the biggest excuse that we were hiding our laziness and lethargic attitude under. But right now, because of this lockdown, because of this whole quarantine, because of this COVID-19 situation, you and I don't have time as an excuse anymore. So now, because we don't have time as an excuse, we are giving these excuses. ये हमारे साथ क्या हो गया? What has been done to us? We were not expecting this. We were not prepared for this. We are becoming victims. Stop becoming victims. When you try and become a victim, you never get success in your life. Hence, I've picked up this statement: don't try and control your lives, drive your life. Drive what you are supposed to drive. See, when you try and controlling is like driving in the city. आप छोटी सड़कें हैं, you have small streets, you have people around, you have traffic signals, there's constantly brake, clutch, brake, clutch, brake. When you drive on the highway, there is a speed, there is acceleration, there is a pit stop, there is fun, there is music, there is adventure. And you know what? Overall and above, when you drive the car on a highway, you keep changing your cities, which means that you keep moving ahead. You keep getting to a destination that you're supposed to get to. You and I need to understand that in this current pandemic, in this current scenario, in this current situation, we are just trying and creating an excuse for not moving ahead, and we are becoming victims. Stop becoming victims. Start driving your life. यहाँ तक की बात, if you are understanding what I'm trying to communicate to you, please write a yes on the comment section. बात समझ में आ रही है तो जरा yes लिखते रहे. Okay, great. Now let's move on to this discussion. See, this current situation, this current pandemic, this whole thing right now is a very decisive moment for all of us as young people. All of us who are watching this right now, or who are conversing right now, we are in between the age bracket of 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, or perhaps till 30 years. These are very decisive years of life. And this whole current situation of the world right now has also become very decisive. I'm taking you back to 1947, when Pakistan got independence. When Pakistan got independence, Pakistan Azad hua, 1947 independence time, there were two categories of people. The people who we speak of very high of as our ancestors, as our forefathers, as our grandparents. There were two categories of the people who were then young when there was independence in 1947 or in early 1950s. They were very young people, and there were two categories of them. Number one category who constantly cried about what happened and how they lost everything in India, then called as Hindustan. They lost everything there, their property, their business, their jobs, and they had to migrate to Pakistan, and they don't have anything to move forward to. And they kept crying, they kept crying, they kept crying. There was another category who migrated as a young person and immediately thought of and accepted that this is our reality. We have a new land in place, we have a new country in place, we have a new law, we have a new constitution, we have new people around, and I got to make a fortune out of my life in this country now. Those were the kind of people who immediately accepted change, who immediately accepted what happened, and they started working. And if you trail the generation of both the categories down the line till today, you will find a huge difference of the lifestyle, of the kind of communities these people have become, in terms of the generations that they have had. The decisions they took, the attitude they showed, the behaviors they demonstrated, and the efforts they put in back in 1947 and in the early 1950s has been demonstrated in the kind of life their generations are living today. Now, back in 2020, you and I are young people. We are in the same situation, and we got to make a decision. We are in the position to make a decision because now 50 years down the line ahead, there are going to be children who are going to call us the grandparents, who are going to call us the ancestors, who are going to call us the forefathers. And it's entirely up to you what story they're going to be telling 50 years down the line. That is the moment of decisiveness that you and I have right now. Anthony Robbins, in his book Awaken the Giant Within, says that it is in the moments of your decisions that shapes your destiny. आपके फैसलों के लम्हे ये फैसला करते हैं कि आप किस तरफ जाएंगे. It is in the moments of the decisions that shapes your destiny. Whatever you're going to decide today, see this nature, this whole universe, this multiverse operates on a very, very simple principle, जिसको आप अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी की दुनिया में, बाइनरी की दुनिया में, you call it 1-0 or 0-1, or input output. You say, do you agree with this? Write a yes if you agree on this. Whatever you're going to type on the keyboard is going to be the only thing that is going to appear on the screen. Do you agree with this? Yeah. So you write, just like right now you're typing yes, I can only see yes coming in from Munza, from Samiullah, from Nabila, from Rija, from everyone, from Mehek, everybody. Whenever you are writing yes, I can only see a yes coming in. This is the simplest principle of nature that we have complicated, that we have made complex. See, these scientists, these physicists, these mathematicians, they have not complicated the lives. They've always tried to simplify things. And the most simplified answer to this principle of nature is that whatever you're going to input is going to be something that you're going to see on the output. There is no way out that you type a B, C, D, E and you don't see a B, C, D, E on the screen until and unless your system is malfunctioning, until and unless your keyboard is malfunctioning, until and unless that there is a problem in the system. Now, here is an interesting concept. Input means your efforts and output means your results. The more, and this machine that we are operating on right now is your character, is your soul. जिस कंप्यूटर पे, जिस लैपटॉप पे आप इस वक्त काम कर रहे हैं, ये आपकी सोल है, ये आपका कैरेक्टर है, ये आपका किरदार है. इसके थ्रू जो कुछ भी आप करते रहेंगे और जितना बेहतर कैरेक्टर आपका होगा, जितना बेहतर किरदार आपका होगा, उतना बेहतर आउटपुट मिलेगा. Do you understand the simple principle? Input are the efforts, output are the results, and this machine that is processing your input is your character and is your soul and is your values and is your morals that you carry with yourself. Do you understand this easy concept? Give me a yes. Yeah. So now let's come to the things that you can control and you cannot control. What you can control is, number one, are the inputs that you're giving. अपने अमल को बेहतर बनाएं. Make your actions wise. Read well, speak well, listen well, do well, write well. Speak well, do well, listen well, read well, write well. And don't try to control the output. Not in your hands. It depends on the kind of machine that you would have. If you are carrying a very, very good character, you are having a very positive intention, then definitely the outcome is going to be good. Allah ki taraf se hai. It is by the God. This principle is by the God. The problem is that you and I try to control the outcomes. You and I try to control things. You and I try to control what's going to be there on the screen. You can't control what's going to be there on the screen. You can control what you're going to do through the keyboard. So just focus on what you're going to do through the keyboard, which means focus on your actions. Apne amal pe focus kare and let the outcome be the decision of God. Let the outcome be the decision of Allah Ta'ala. Uska faisla hai, usne jitna dena hoga, this is guaranteed that wo nainsafi nahi kar sakta. He doesn't do injustice. So one way or the other, you're going to get the outcome of it some way. sometime soon, in terms of the financials, in terms of the relationships, in terms of the good sleep, in terms of good company, in terms of good friends. Outcome are not always financial. You can't always have the outcomes in terms of the monetary. You think that if you have a lot of financials with you, if you have a lot of money with you, this means that you're getting the natija of the amal that you're doing. I'm so sorry, you are wrong. You are absolutely wrong on that front. You don't get the outcome only in terms of the monetary benefits that you get. You get the outcomes in terms of the people that hang around with you. You get it in terms of the relationships. You get it in terms of the good bond that you share with your family. You get it in terms of the sukoon, the rest that you get, the ease that you get, the flexibility that you get in your life. That is the outcome that you really need to be hoping for, but not be controlling for. What we are trying to do is that we are not trying to type anything on the keyboard, yet we are waiting for something to appear on the screen. हम कुछ कर नहीं रहे, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ आए जरूर, मिले जरूर. भाई, this global pandemic is a situation. It's there, it's given. Accept the change, embrace the change, and move forward and tell yourself that I got to do something with this technological front, with this digital front that I am utilizing right now. The more quickly you accept the change that has already come to the world is no more the old world. Sundays are no more the weekends or the holidays. Saturdays, Sundays are no more the weekends. June, July are no more the summer vacations. It's not going to be the same anymore, my friends. So you've got to work on your reality, accept the reality that is there, and focus on what needs to be done now onwards. If you are still focusing on how am I going to get my degree, how am I going to get my salary, how am I going to get my job, then I'm so sorry, you're wasting yourself. Right now is the time of detoxification. Right now is the time of purification. Right now is the time. It's a beautiful opportunity for all of you that God has given you. The biggest blessing that God has always given us is time. और हमेशा we have always complained about time, and this is the time that we all have got. We don't have anything to do. Now pick your battles. Write things for yourself. Know what you would want to pick in. You had a box full of complaints. You had a box full of daily responsibilities. You had a box full of pressure of job. You had a box full of the anger of your bosses. You had a box full of your assignments and your teachers shouting at you and your exams pressure and whatnot. Right now, what God has done with you, Allah मैंने ये डब्बा खाली किया और वापस रख दिया. बोला अब तू डब्बा भर दोबारा. Fill the box again. The box is empty. Are you gonna make the same mistakes again? Tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. Are you gonna make the same mistakes again? Are you gonna fill your box with the same things again? Are you filling your box again with procrastination? Are you filling your box again with laziness? Are you gonna fill your box again with this lethargic attitude? Are you gonna fill your box by becoming a victim and telling the world or letting your children 20 years down the line telling the world that my father or my mother was someone who couldn't do anything about this pandemic, who couldn't fight a virus? Are you gonna be that? Or are you gonna be different? Then if the answer is no, then you better start working on yourself. If the answer is no, then you better start filling in your box with positivity, with purity, with good intent, with good values, with some great exposure for yourself, with some skill set, with some high intellect, and becoming someone the world would want to work with. Right now is your time. There are 3 things quickly that I'm telling you, then we're going to jump to Q&A. Focus on your reality. Forget about the world's perception right now. दुनिया में जो कुछ चल रहा है, forget about it. Forget the news. Forget how many people are dying. Forget how many people are getting corona. Forget how many people are being impacted by it. Forget. There's a beautiful thing that someone who was live with me just a few hours ago said, don't worry about the economy. Worry about your methods. Economy is going to fall in place anyway. If you don't focus on your methods, you are anyway not becoming a part of the economy. If you don't have good methods, how are you going to become a part of the economy? Economy is going to fall in place anyway. Focus on your methods. Number 1, accept your reality, focus on your reality, and do the best that you can in the given reality that you have. Forget everything. Right now is not the time to fight external battles. Right now is the time to fight internal battles. So please fight internal battles. Number one is that. Number two, don't control your life. Don't try to control things that you can't. Don't try to control the outcome. Drive your life. Have the speed breakers, have the speed, have the brake, have the acceleration, have your pit stops, have your conversations, have your expressions, laugh, cry, play, indoor sports, games, read books, whatever you can. Cooking, just keep doing. Spend time with family. Don't try to control the outcome. Just keep inputting good. Just keep giving the input of good things. You're automatically going to see the good outcome on the screen. That's number two. Number three, strengthen your belief system. अपनी machine को upgrade करें, अपने system को upgrade करें, अपने character को upgrade करें, अपनी values, upgrade your values, upgrade your character, upgrade your machine, upgrade your soul. Purify yourself, detoxify yourself, get away from the negativity, get away from the negative side of life, and put yourself on the positive side of life. These are the three things that you got to do if you want to drive your life and not control it. Focus on your reality. Don't try to control things that you can't. And number three, strengthen your belief system, strengthen your intent. अपनी नियत मजबूत करें, अच्छी रखें, अपनी conviction, strengthen your conviction, have belief in yourself, have belief in God that this is going to be fine, and focus on the things that you really want to do in your life. All right. If you have understood things till now, अभी तक जो समझाया है, if you have gotten something out of it, write me a yes, and then we're going to dive into Q&A. Mursal, are you okay if we dive into the question and answers?
Yeah, sir, sure. That would be great.
Okay.
For a quick Q&A session.
Great. So, what I was supposed to speak, I've already communicated. Now I am looking forward to the Q&A that are coming. So just write your questions, or maybe open your mic and ask a question, and then I'm going to answer it. I would prefer someone asking a question on the mic rather than just typing it. It's more humane. Any questions? No questions? चलें लिख के पूछ लें, कोई मसला नहीं है. चैट में पूछ लें, माइक नहीं है तो. I'm waiting for them.
Guys, like if you have any question, you can ask Waqar bhai.
अच्छा, अगर सवाल नहीं है तो नो लिख दें, कोई मसला नहीं है. Do we have any questions on Facebook?
No, sir, not yet. We have no question on Facebook yet. But yes, we have views on Facebook. We don't have questions on Facebook yet.
Okay, great.
So,
okay, is there anyone?
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
I can. What's your name?
I'm Prajwal.
Hi, Prajwal. What's your question?
भाई मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि लाइफ में कभी कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन आ जाता है जिसमें पॉजिटिव रहना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. उस समय पे क्या करना चाहिए?
उस समय नेगेटिव हो जाना चाहिए.
नेगेटिव?
हाँ, देखो मैं समझाता हूँ तुम्हें. देखो, नेगेटिविटी और पॉजिटिविटी, हंसना और रोना, दोनों जो है वो कुदरत का हिस्सा है, नेचर का हिस्सा है. If there can't be all the times when you are positive. Not every day is a Sunday. Have you heard that? रोजाना संडे नहीं होता. कभी कभी बैड डेज भी होते हैं, कभी कभी रेनी डेज भी होते हैं. अपने आप को जब भी मुश्किल सिचुएशन में हो, चीखने का दिल कर रहा हो, रोने का दिल कर रहा हो, तो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करो. डोंट होल्ड इट इन योरसेल्फ. कभी तबीयत खराब हुई है, वॉमिट हुई है कभी? आंसर मी. हुई है ना वॉमिट? जब इंसान को वॉमिट आ रही होती है और इंसान उस वॉमिट को अपने अंदर रोक लेता है, तो क्या होता है?
तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है ना, इधर उधर
तबीयत ज्यादा खराब होती है. यू फील हेवी, यू फील द बर्डन ऑफ इट. सिमिलरली when you are not going through a good time, when you are going through a phase जो कि मुश्किल है, उसके अंदर अपनी भड़ास को, अपने गम को, अपनी सैडनेस को अंदर मत कैरी करो. उसको अच्छे अंदाज में एक्सप्रेस करो, चाहे लिख के करो, चाहे किसी से बात करके करो, लेकिन बोलो. मैं जिस दिन नेगेटिव फील करता हूँ, मैं अपने दोस्तों को कॉल करता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ इट्स नॉट माय डे, आई फील लाइक क्विटिंग. मैं बोलता रहता हूँ 1 घंटे तक, जब निकल जाता है ना सब, तो बिल्कुल वैसी फीलिंग आती है जैसे वॉमिट होने के बाद आती है. आई फील रिलैक्स्ड, आई फील रिलीव्ड. सो डोंट पुश योरसेल्फ टू स्टे पॉजिटिव. अपने आप को पुश मत करो पॉजिटिव रहने के लिए. जब बुरा वक्त आए, कोई खराब वक्त आए, तो उसको भी वैसे ही एक्सप्रेस करो जैसे अपनी अच्छाई को या अपने अच्छे वक्त को एक्सप्रेस करते हो.
अच्छा, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
So we have a few questions in comments as well. One Hiba is saying, "Sir, what about those who can't express?"
What about those who can't express? Hiba, I'm asking you, are you the one who's asking for yourself? Are you the one who cannot express? Yeah.
Yes.
So Hiba, I have another question with you. I'm going to answer your question by asking you a couple of questions. Hiba, tell me, if you are a doctor and if you have a cancer patient, what would happen to the cancer patient if he or she doesn't take the medicine that you are suggesting? They will die one day. Exactly is my answer to the question that you have asked. You got to take the medicine. You got to become expressive. जरूरी नहीं है, देखो एक्सप्रेस करने का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आप लोगों के साथ एक्सप्रेस करें. शीशे के सामने खड़े हो जाओ, अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करो. द पॉइंट इज टू लेट इट आउट. Be it in front of the screen, or be it in front of the mirror, or be it in front of any other individual that you are speaking with, or the person you trust a lot. But express, let it out. Don't let trash. आपके घर के डस्टबिन में कचरा भर जाता है, अगले 5 दिन अगर वो उसी डस्टबिन में पड़ा रहे तो पूरा घर स्टिंक करता है. अगर आप कचरा अपने दिमाग से नहीं क्रिएट आउट करेंगे, नहीं एक्सप्रेस आउट करेंगे, तो आपकी सोच स्टिंक करना शुरू हो जाएगी थोड़े अरसे में. That's the answer to the question that you have asked. So please express yourself to whoever yaar. Pick a pen and write it for yourself. लेकिन उस ख्याल को दिमाग से निकाल के कहीं उतार जरूर दो पर्चे के ऊपर, कहीं ना कहीं. लेकिन एक्सप्रेशन बहुत जरूरी है. दूसरा सवाल आया हुआ है, हिबा आपको जवाब मिल गया तो प्लीज यस लिख देना. दूसरा जो सवाल आया हुआ है, what is this positive attitude? What does this positive attitude actually means? भाई पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड का बड़ा आसान मतलब है कि आपको नहीं फर्क पड़ता इस बात से कि दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. आपको दूसरे की जिंदगी में झांकना नहीं है. आपको दूसरा क्या कर रहा है, क्या बन रहा है, क्या पढ़ रहा है, कितना कमा रहा है, कौन सी गाड़ी चला रहा है, इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड मीन्स कि आपको सिर्फ इस बात से फर्क पड़ता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आपका आइडिया क्या है, वो आइडिया आपके लिए और आपकी कम्युनिटी के लिए बेहतर कैसे करेगा, और आप उस आइडिया के ऊपर कितनी ज्यादा जान लगाते हैं, कितनी ज्यादा मेहनत करते हैं, और आप अपने इर्द गिर्द के लोगों को किस तरीके से उनके साथ कैसे पेश आते हैं. हाउ डू यू पर्टिकुलरली बिहेव विद दोस पर्टिकुलर पीपल. दैट्स व्हाट ऑल पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड कॉल्स फॉर. Your actions, your behaviors, all of it comprises of positive attitude. अगर आपको जवाब मिल गया तो यस बोल रहे. सपना कह रही है how to be consistent or focused. सपना, इस बात का जवाब मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't have the answer to your question. आप मुझे जवाब दें इस बात का. आप गाड़ी चला रही हैं, सपना मैं आपसे सवाल कर रहा हूँ. आप गाड़ी चला रही है, आप हाईवे पे गाड़ी चला रही है. इज देयर गोना बी अ मोमेंट वेयरइन यू से कि यार मैं थोड़ी देर जरा स्टीयरिंग छोड़ दूं या मैं आराम से बैठ जाऊं? या नहीं हो सकता ना. इसी तरीके से यू नीड टू नो कि आपने कब अपनी जिंदगी के मामलात को पार्क किया हुआ है. जब आप हाईवे पे होते हैं, आप थोड़ी देर गाड़ी साइड पे लगा के रेस्ट जरूर करते हैं. ये रेस्ट आपका हॉलीडेज होते हैं, आपके वीकेंड्स होते हैं, आपका फैमिली टाइम होता है, आपका फ्रेंड्स टाइम होता है. इस टाइम में आप बस छोड़ दें, कुछ मत सोचें. लेकिन द मोमेंट यू गॉट बैक टू वर्क, द मोमेंट यू गॉट योरसेल्फ टू बैक टू वर्क, जब हाईवे पे गाड़ी वापस चलना शुरू हो गई है ना, फिर आप स्टीयरिंग नहीं छोड़ सकती. हाउ का जवाब सिर्फ इतना है कि जितना ज्यादा आपको अपनी जिंदगी की परवाह होगी, जितना ज्यादा आपको जहां पहुंचना है वहां पहुंचने की परवाह होगी, उतना ज्यादा आप बेहतर फोकस्ड और कंसिस्टेंट रहेंगी अपनी ड्राइव पे, और उतना ज्यादा आप स्ट्रांगली स्टीयरिंग को होल्ड करेंगी। जवाब मिल गया तो यस बोल देगा सबका। दुआ का सवाल है, हाउ टू डील विद द पीपल हु आर ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग यू डाउन। The best way to deal with these people is not to deal with them at all. They're doing their job, let them do their job. That's not your job to stop them. Your job is to keep moving. Just keep moving. Okay, Dua? No, you don't have to focus on who's bringing you down, and nobody is bringing you down. Don't worry about it. कोई तुम्हें नहीं गिरा रहा। लोगों का शौक है, पूरा करने दो उनको अपना शौक। जवाब मिल गया दुआ तो यस बोल दीजिएगा। कोमल का है, दुआ मैं दोबारा आता हूँ आपके सवाल पे। कोमल का सवाल है, और दुआ मैं आपको पहले क्लियर कर देता हूँ। व्हाट इफ दे आर अराउंड यू लाइक फैमिली मेंबर्स? व्हाट इफ आई आस्क यू दैट यू माइट बी हैविंग अ मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट देम? देयर कुड बी चांसेस दैट यू माइट बी, मेरे अब्बा मुझे डांटते हैं, मेरी अम्मा भी मुझे डांटती हैं, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट दे आर पुटिंग मी डाउन। सी, मेनी अ टाइम्स यू कैन नॉट, in fact at no point you should try and judge people's intent by their actions. लोग अक्सर आपके साथ अमल बुरा कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन उनकी नीयत बहुत अच्छी होती है उस अमल के करने की। बचपन में अम्मा अब्बा मारते थे, लेकिन उनकी नीयत ये होती थी कि हम सुधर जाए। तो और बस आप इस चीज से दूर हो जाएं कि कोई आपको नीचे गिराना चाहता है, कोई आपको बढ़ने नहीं देना चाहता। आप फोकस करें अपनी सीढ़ी पे। आप ऊपर चढ़ रही हैं, ऊपर देखें, पीछे नहीं। जो सीढ़ी चढ़ रहा होता है ना, सीरियसली वो पीछे नहीं देखता, वो आगे देखता है। जो पीछे देखता है उसको वाकई में ये रखता है, वहम का कोई इलाज नहीं है। सो प्लीज डोंट think about the people around you. Let them do what they're doing. Take their feedback. Take what they're giving you. If you want to apply it, apply it. If you don't want to apply it, don't apply it. Keep moving forward. That's simple as that. जिंदगी को आसान बनाओ. Input, output, input, output. Don't make it complicated. कोमल कह रही हैं कि should we also express our anger? I get angry easily and I don't know how to deal with it. यार एंगर बिल्कुल हम सब में होता है, एंगर को भी एक्सप्रेस करना चाहिए। एंगर का मेथड बेहतर होना चाहिए। चीजें तोड़ना, लोगों को नुकसान पहुंचाना, just because you and I get angry doesn't mean that we have earned a right to piss someone else off. क्योंकि मैं और आप गुस्से में हैं, इस बात का मकसद या मतलब हरगिज ये नहीं है कि मैं और आप इख्तियार रखते हैं या हक रखते हैं कि हम किसी और की जिंदगी को डिस्टर्ब करें। अपने आप पे गुस्सा हो, चीखो चिल्लाओ, कमरे के अंदर एक्सप्रेस करो, जो करना है करो। काम करने का दिल नहीं करो, नहीं करो। चुप बैठना है, चुप बैठो। रोना है, रो। कोई भी ऐसा काम मत करो जो किसी चीज को या किसी और को नुकसान पहुंचाए। That's how you deal with it. Don't try to control your anger. Try to drive it in the right direction. मुझे जब गुस्सा आता है तो मैं काम करता हूँ। I put my anger into work. The more I am angry, the more I am working. हिबा कह रही हैं, आपको नहीं लगता दिस क्वारंटीन इज मेकिंग अस मेंटल? बिल्कुल भी नहीं हिबा। I don't think so. It's only about what you think. Your mind controls everything in your body. If you allow your mind to think like that, then there is no stopping. If you don't, then there is no getting into. So avoid thinking like that. Nothing like a mental thing. सब सही है, कोई पागल नहीं है। कोमल कह रही हैं, I always figure it out but I think it's wrong. कोमल मैंने I hope आपको जवाब दे दिया है। अरीबा कह रही हैं, I have this problem with forgiving myself for my own mistakes. How can I just let it go? कोमल, अरीबा, it's good that you don't forgive yourself for the mistakes that you make. Always learn from your mistakes. Let me write it for you. Mistake plus learning is equals to growth. Mistake माइनस लर्निंग इज इक्वल्स टू, मेरे लफ्ज के लिए माजरत करिएगा, मैं डैश कर रहा हूँ और आपको बता रहा हूँ कि है क्या इसका मतलब। अगर आपने कोई गलती की है और आपने उससे सीख लिया है तो आप ग्रो करें। अगर आपने कोई गलती की है और आप उससे नहीं सीखते, तो आप गलती बार बार करके नहीं सीखते, तो आप फिर उससे बेज़रर होते जाते हैं। आपकी गैरत खत्म होती जाती है, और जब गैरत खत्म होती जाती है तो आपको मालूम है उस लफ्ज को क्या कहा जाता है। तो मिस्टेक प्लस लर्निंग इज ऑलवेज ग्रोथ। अगर आप गलती कर रही हैं, उससे सीख रही हैं, आगे बढ़ रही हैं, आप ग्रो कर रही हैं। डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। ओके, अरीबा जवाब मिल गया तो मुझे यस बोल दीजिएगा प्लीज। लाइबा, sometimes the person should want to stay positive, but there are some circumstances that would create around that makes it negative. लाइबा, मैंने नेगेटिविटी के ऊपर थोड़ी देर पहले जवाब दिया था, मैं दोबारा जवाब दे देता हूँ. Negative is fine. When you feel negative, express yourself and let it be. Let it come out. Don't hold it inside yourself like a vomit. Just put it out. वो वक्त भी चला जाएगा. Don't worry. कोई खातून थी माइक पे सवाल कर रही थी, वो दोबारा कर लें. I'm willing to answer. Mursal, there was a lady who was asking something on the mic.
So she was Laiba. She asked question on chat.
Okay, Laiba, आपको जवाब मिल गया है? तो yes.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah.
You are audible.
Okay, so I have this really weird question in my mind. How do I stop procrastinating?
By doing something with your life. That's the only way out.
What if I
And
don't
you know
feel
what?
like doing something?
That's okay. It's a phase. It's a phase. It's a phase of life. It doesn't mean that it's going to continue till the rest of your life. But देखो, procrastination का मतलब ये होता है कि मैं हर काम ना करने के excuse ढूंढ लेती हूँ. यानी कि
Yeah, exactly.
और excuse आप सिर्फ वो काम ना करने का ढूंढते हैं जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता. जिस काम में इंटरेस्ट होता है ना, I can sit in and do these सेशंस डे लॉन्ग. मैं सुबह से रात तक बैठ के सेशंस कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैं किताब पढ़ने से भागता हूँ, मुझे एक्सक्यूज मिल जाती है. तो जिस काम में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उस काम को वैसे ही मैं कह रहा हूँ अवॉइड करो. जिन चीजों में इंटरेस्ट है उन पे फोकस करो. और वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कुड बी प्लांटिंग इंडोर्स, it could be painting, it could be playing a video game, it could be designing something, it could be anything at all, but just start somewhere. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Ariba, आपने जो दोबारा लिखा है, I do learn from it and I don't repeat it again, but still I just can't let go of it. You can't let go of it because you're not accepting a reality of a human being. इसके इंसान गलतियों का पुतला है, और इंसान गलती करता है. अल्लाह ने इंसान को बनाया है, इंसान की ज़ात परफेक्ट नहीं है. इंसान को भेजा ही इस मकसद से गया है कि तू जा, गलती कर, उन गलतियों से सीख, लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स. सो जब अल्लाह ने तुम्हें बना के वो ऐसा भेजा है तो एक्सेप्ट कर लो ना उसको, और जितना जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लोगी उतना जल्दी लेट गो करना सीख जाओगी. महक कह रही है, व्हाट इफ यू लूज इंटरेस्ट इन द मिडल ऑफ समथिंग एंड लूज ऑल द मोटिवेशन. महक, छोड़ दो, नहीं करो. अगर तुम्हारा काम होगा वो तो तुम्हारे पास वापस आ जाएगा. 2 दिन बाद दोबारा मोटिवेशन आ जाएगी, तुम दोबारा काम शुरू कर दोगी. एंड if you lose interest in the middle of something and lose all the motivation, try and recalling why you started that particular thing to do. और जब तुम वो why सोचो और वो why उस वक्त भी इतना मीनिंगफुल ना लगे और पागलपन लगे, तो फिर छोड़ दो उस काम में, इतना वक्त मत बर्बाद करो. आगा कह रहे हैं, how can we maintain self motivation when we experience a setback on the way to achieve our goal? How do you do it? Acceptance is the key. आगा, मैं बहुत गलतियां करता हूँ, बहुत दफा गिरता हूँ, बहुत सारी चीजों में लूज भी करता हूँ, बहुत सारे मसलों से भी गुजरता हूँ. And the only motivation that I get during that particular time or during that particular setback is that I immediately accept it कि ये हो गया है. अब इसका there is no way back to it. All I can do is I can fix it forward. I can't fix it backwards. मैं पास्ट ठीक नहीं कर सकता, मैं फ्यूचर को भी ठीक नहीं कर सकता, मैं प्रेजेंट को ठीक कर सकता हूँ. सो आई फोकस इन नाउ. आज, अभी, इस वक्त के अंदर में मैं फोकस कर रहा हूँ कि क्या करने की जरूरत है.
Hello. Sir, I have a question.
Who's that?
Laiba.
Okay. जी लाइबा.
So as you said earlier, if we have negative or if there are any negative thoughts coming, let it be go. But there are some people that living around us totally negative. So it's affect us. Like I myself feel कि अब negative vibes आ रहे हैं.
लाइब्रेरी गई हो कभी? Ever been to a library?
Yeah.
लाइब्रेरी में क्या देखता है शेल्फ्स के अंदर?
Books, intentions.
किताबें दिखती है ना,
जी.
हजारों किताबें दिखती हैं. क्या वो हजारों किताबें तुम्हें बताती हैं कि मुझे उठा लो, या तुम जाके उनमें से पिक करती हो?
Depends on me, obviously.
That's the same case with people, Laiba. There are millions of people around you.
But there are some people that constantly affecting us. We are trying to get rid from them, but they are
Because you
constantly
have
affect us.
because you have picked them from the shelf.
But they
You
are
have
really
because you have picked them. You have picked them from the shelf. तुम्हारी जिंदगी में सिर्फ वही किताब वैल्यू ऐड करेगी या असर करेगी या तुम्हारा ख्याल डेवलप करेगी जिसको तुम शेल्फ में से निकालोगी. मेरे भी इर्द गिर्द 50 लोग घूमते हैं. मैं उन 50 लोगों के साथ टाइम जरूर गुजारता हूँ लाइबा, लेकिन मुझे ये मालूम है
आपने
कि
कहा कि नेगेटिव वाइब्स आते हैं, हर
मुझे
किसी को आते हैं.
जवाब तो कंप्लीट करने दो ना मेरा. मेरी जिंदगी में भी मेरे इर्द गिर्द 50 लोग घूमते हैं. मैं उन 50 लोगों के साथ वक्त गुजारता हूँ. मुझे उनसे बहुत वाइब्स आती हैं, हर तरीके की वाइब्स आती हैं. आई एम श्योर मैं भी बहुत सारे लोगों की जिंदगियों में उन 50 लोगों में से एक होऊंगा. मुझसे भी लोगों को कोई ना कोई वाइब जरूर आती होगी, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए उन 50 में से वो 5 लोग पिक किए हुए किताब की तरह जिनको मैंने सीरियस लेना है, या जिनकी बात को मैंने दिल पे लेना है, या जिनकी बात को मैंने समझना है, या जिनकी बात को मैं वाकई में अंडरस्टैंड करके सीरियस लेना चाहता हूँ. अगर मैं हर किसी की बात को दिल पे लेके बैठ जाऊंगा या मैं हर किसी की बात को सोचने बैठ जाऊंगा तो मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता. आई कांट मूव फॉरवर्ड. यू कांट हैव लाइक ऑल द बुक्स टेलिंग यू व्हाट टू डू. यू गॉट टू पिक योर पीपल वाइजली. यू गॉट टू पिक हु यू रियली वांट टू टेक सीरियसली वेरी वाइजली. ये लोगों का कसूर नहीं है, ये लोगों की गलती नहीं है, ये आपकी गलती है कि आप ऐसे लोगों पे फोकस कर रही हैं जो आपको नेगेटिव वाइब्स देते हैं. आप ऐसों पे फोकस करें ना जो आपको पॉजिटिव वाइब्स देते हैं. वो तो आपके इख्तियार में है ना. ओके ओके लाइबा.
Yeah, okay.
Great, thank you. I'm a CS student, but I'm more interested in arts and literature, and I'm doing that instead of doing course. It's useless because it's just this point for the people around me. How do you bother? Nabila, arts and literature is beautiful. It's fantastic. You know why? Because you want to do it. Simple as that. आप दुनिया के लिए कर रही हैं अगर आर्ट्स और लिटरेचर. आप दुनिया को बताना चाहती हैं कि आप क्यों कर रही हैं. आप दुनिया को साबित करना चाहती हैं कि आपका लिटरेचर में कितना इंटरेस्ट है. तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप कितना भी टॉप पे पहुंच जाएं, आप हमेशा इसी सवाल पे फंसी रहेंगी. और अगर आप अपने लिए कर रही हैं तो आज अभी इसी वक्त इस सवाल का जवाब मिल जाएगा आपको कि आपका पॉइंट ऑफ फोकस जो है ना वो ये है कि आप क्यों कर रही हैं. आप दुनिया के लिए अगर कर रही हैं तो नबीला, आई एम सो सॉरी. आपको वाकई में वापस सीएस पे चले जाना चाहिए. लेकिन आर्ट्स एंड लिटरेचर मेरी नज़र में आपके लिए खूबसूरत फील्ड इसलिए है क्योंकि आप अपने लिए करना चाहती हैं. दैट्स इट. ओके नबीला, समझ में आ गया तो ओके बोल दें. A lot of people have medicine as disappointment. A lot of people have engineering as disappointment. A lot of people have CS as disappointment. It doesn't mean that you're doing the wrong thing. जब मैंने ट्रेनिंग का काम शुरू किया था तो ये फील्ड का स्कोप नहीं था लोगों की नज़र में. बस स्कोप सिर्फ उसी चीज़ का होता है जो करने में आप इंटरेस्टेड हो. Nothing other than that. How to ignore all the negativity around? Mehak, you can't ignore all the negativity around. You have to deal with it. You have to create more positivity around. The only way of ignoring negativity is by creating more positivity around yourself. Who? Veela और महक, आपको जवाब मिल गया है तो yes. महक, you can't deal with it. You are fighting the wrong battle. You can't deal with negativity. I want you to focus on more things that are bringing you positivity. The more you focus on the positive sides, the better you get towards the positive side, and the less negativity remains there. ओके सो वो आप खत्म, जो चीज खत्म नहीं कर सकती, मैंने प्रिंसिपल बात की थी, जो चीज तुम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते उसकी जंग मत लड़ो, जो तुम कंट्रोल कर सकते हो उसकी जंग लड़ो. नबीला, it's okay if you're not supported by your own family. There is going to be a day when you're going to stand in front of them, when you're going to be standing on the floor, when you're going to be publishing something, when you're going to be launching something, and one day they're going to be proud of you. It's the story of every individual who fights with their family for doing what they want to do. अगर इतना दम है तो वो करके दिखाओ जिसपे तुम्हारी फैमिली को बिल्कुल चुप लग जाए और बोले यार क्या शाबाश, क्या शानदार काम किया. Meanwhile, just shut up and keep doing the work that you're supposed to do. Okay, on a positive side.
Yes, sir. I also have a question. Like I myself, means वो नबीला के questions ही ना, I got a bit of that कि ये पूछा है आपसे. So I myself am a CS student, and alhamdulillah, I'm doing pretty well in CS field. But the thing is, sometimes I get really demotivated from this field. दिल करता है कि नहीं यार, CS में आके मैंने गलती कर दी, CS में नहीं आना चाहिए था, and I should have done something like mechatronics. I have chosen some other mainstream field. But then after a few days, like when I have that stroke in that period, I make some bad decisions. I means like बहुत मसले होते हैं मेरे साथ जब वो पीरियड चल रहा होता है कि when I am thinking कि मैंने CS नहीं लेना चाहिए था, and I made a very bad decision. So, but after some days, I'm good, and it is all okay. But I mean that thing means जब वो पीरियड चल रहा होता है बहुत ज्यादा मसले होते हैं.
यार मैं इसका तुम्हें आसान जवाब दे देता हूँ. देखो, जब शादी हो जाती है ना बंदे की, मैं और सबको जवाब दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि हर कोई शायद इस फेज से गुजरता है. जब बंदे की शादी हो जाती है ना, तो उसको हर महीने ये ख्याल आता है कि मैं इससे भी कर सकता था, मैं उससे भी कर सकता था. खातून को भी आता होगा, मर्द को भी आता है, दोनों साइड को ये ख्याल आता है. जो एक अच्छी मैरिड लाइफ गुजारने के पीछे एक सीक्रेट होता है ना, वो ये होता है दैट यू फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू हैव. देखो, ग्रीड की कोई लिमिट नहीं है कि मुझे ये, मैं ये ले लेता. तुम कल को मैकेट्रॉनिक्स ले लेते, मैं कह रहा हूँ तुम इसी फेज में बैठे होते, तुम फिर कोई और 4 फील्ड सोच रहे होते कि मैं यार ये ले लेता, मैं वो ले लेता, मैं ये ले लेता. ये तो ऑनगोइंग फेज है लाइफ का यार. ये तो हमेशा रहेगा. ग्रीड तो हमेशा आपको सराउंड करती रहेगी. द पॉइंट इज कि जो आपके पास है आप उसके लिए कितने ग्रेटफुल हैं. जो आपको मिल गया आप उसके लिए कितने ग्रेटफुल हैं. तुझे कंप्यूटर साइंसेस मिला हुआ है, यू आर लकी. देयर आर 2.5 करोड़ बच्चा है इस मुल्क के अंदर जो कि स्कूल से बाहर पढ़ा हुआ है, जिनको कंप्यूटर साइंसेस तो छोड़, एक उर्दू की किताब नसीब नहीं होती. रिलेट विद दैट and be grateful for what you have gotten, and remember that you must focus on what you have and live by what you have committed to live by, and fulfill the responsibility that you have with yourself. That's how you complete your education in good style, and that's how you live a good married life as well. Otherwise greed का कोई जवाब नहीं है मेरे पास. Okay, let's end it. मुरसल, खत्म करते हैं, मगरिब भी हो गई है.
जी सर, श्योर. सबको नमाज के लिए भी जाना होगा. आई एम सीइंग के बहुत लोग मीटिंग लीव भी कर रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच वकार भाई. दैट वाज अ रियली अमेजिंग सेशन बाय यू. लाइबा सेड नो, वी शुड नॉट एंड दिस सेशन.
अजान हो गई, लाइबा जाना है. गेट कनेक्टेड ऑन माय सोशल मीडिया. मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे यूजुअली ज्यादा जवाब दे रहा होता हूँ, so you can get connected and ask questions if you want to.
Okay, username please.
Okay. Thank you very much everyone. Jazakallah. अपना ख्याल रखें. हम नमाज पढ़ते हैं, आप भी नमाज पढ़ें, दुआ करें जाके सबके लिए.
Thank you so much sir. Thank you sir. Allah Hafiz.